If you want to share internet from Android device to your Windows laptop or computer via USB tethering, as you see, my phone is connected to it. So let's follow the simple steps. First of all, let me unplug it and let me show you the whole process. So grab your phone and grab your cable. It has to be your authorized Samsung cable or any cable which is gonna suit. Now plug the USB part of it into your computer and plug the USB-C part of it into your phone USB-C port. Great, we just did this. Now on your phone, make sure to swipe down twice from the top of your screen and here find your USB for file transfer. Tap on this option, tap again, and here we gotta choose our USB tethering. Now let's close this tab. So as you see, immediately our laptop switched to the USB tethering mode. However, if that didn't happen, don't worry, so choose your Internet mode right here. Now press Settings. Great. Then in our settings, choose your Network and Internet option. Choose your Ethernet and make sure that you're connected to it. Easy as that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.